In this demonstration, Dr. Walsh is going to show us how to mobilize the joints of the thoracic spine. What she's going to do is sit right in front of the roller, and she's going to position the roller so it hits right about at what we call T11-12, right about where she's pointing there. She's going to rest her back onto the roller so it pivots right about that point. She's going to put her hands behind her head so her neck is nice and supported. Her hips are going to be on the ground, and what she's going to do is just let gravity take her upper back backwards, and she's going to extend over that joint. She's going to come back up and repeat that 2 or 3 times nice and slow. She'll probably feel some pops and clicks as she does that, as that joint releases a little bit. And what she's going to do is then inch that roller up just 1 vertebrae, or she's going to move herself down either way. She's still going to get to the next vertebrae and just repeat that 2 or 3 extensions right over that roller to mobilize the next vertebrae. And she's going to do this each vertebrae up until she gets up into those shoulder blades and it becomes too difficult to move backwards. Notice that her neck is staying nice and neutral. All the motion is coming from her upper and mid back.